Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off autosave photos in Telegram. And now let's dive right in. Now to stop autosave photos in Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. And on this interface guys, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there's a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon and this kind of interface will appear where you can see there is the settings option available for us. Just below the saved messages, tap on settings. And over here we'll be required to scroll down a little bit until we can find the data and storage option available for us over here under the notification and sounds. Now let's open up the data and storage, and over here it says the automatic media download over here guys, and here it says it has three options: when using mobile data, when connected to Wi-Fi, and when roaming. Now in order to turn off autosave photos in Telegram, either you can just tap on a toggle icon at the right side of each option, and everything which will be downloaded on your auto-downloaded on your gallery from the Telegram will be turned off. For example, let's tap on when using mobile data and you will land on this interface. You can see guys, I have turned on the photos currently. Now if you want to stop only the photos which are being downloaded to your gallery from your Telegram automatically, just tap on the toggle icon just beside the photos at the right side of the photos, and you can see guys, let's turn it off. And let's do the same for connected to Wi-Fi as well as roaming. And you can see guys, I have turned off the automatic photo download for photos. But if you want nothing to be downloaded with including your videos and files and stories on Telegram, just tap on the toggle icon at the right side of this interface on where it says when using mobile data and when connected to Wi-Fi and when roaming. So guys, if you tap on it, if you turn back it on, you will be either able to manually turn off the photos only over here by turning on Wi-Fi's, and also when on roaming you can just simply turn off the photos only and everything else will be downloaded, or you can just tap on the toggle icon at the right side of each option over here. And with that being done guys, your auto saving photos from the Telegram will be turned off. So guys, it's on your choice either to just turn off the photos or everything which is being downloaded from Telegram to your gallery. And with that being said guys, this is how to turn off autosave photos in Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.